So guys, I think I can find the original intro by putting this on this speed, and here's what it sounds like. I think I found the original sound of the Pretty Blood intro. Yeah, I found the original intro, Pretty Blood. Yeah, so if you speed up my intro that I made called Tommy's Dangerous House or Pretty Blood. Yes, congratulations. You have found the original intro of Tommy's Dangerous House or Pretty Blood. So you have to put it on this speed. Okay, let me show you. You have to put it on this speed. Put it on that speed, and then you find the original intro.